some of this stuff is so pretty with like some flowers in it. That would be so cute, fake or real flowers. Love that. And then I also saw this one that would look so cute for a floral or like Alice in Wonderland theme party. So I was looking for some more stuff like that, but got plenty of colored glass and things of that nature that you could put flowers in too. But I just really love those floral pots or like teapots and things like that. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is for spring. Which is $5, but that's not the Goodwill ticket, so I'm not really sure. Cute. 95 cents. Love that. Super pretty. Okay, so here's a look at all of the things that we got from the thrift stores, and these are going to be used for housing our gorgeous flowers here. So I'm gonna get started on taking all of the stickers off of these and then getting them prepped for planting our flowers. I decided not to drill holes in these this time. However, you can do that using a diamond bit for a drill. So instead, I'm gonna be putting gravel at the very bottom, a charcoal layer on top of that, then our soil and water, and then the plants on top. Bye.